I'm going to walk through here a simple example of how you can create a callable test case in Provar Automation. First and foremost, you need your base test case. So here I have a test case called create new op. The use cases for callables are quite possibly limitless, but in this example we'll show how we can parameterize something as simple as the opportunity name field for this by utilizing a callable test case. If you click at the top of the test case that you have opened, you'll see in the settings section where you can set it to callable. If you now save this, what that allows you to do is call this test case from other test cases. So if I open up another test case, I can drag and drop any test case that has the arrow icon, and it'll add it into that test as a callable test case. What will happen now is whenever this test case gets to this point, it will execute the create new op test case, jumping to here and resuming execution. But that's not all. We can also parameterize all the test cases that we make callable. If you go into the test case parameters of the callable test and hit the plus icon here, you can select the screen in which the variable exists. So it's the opportunity name field here. We'll change the name to op name, and we'll change the title. We'll leave the default value as test and click OK. This will parameterize the opportunity name field for us automatically, and if we click at the top level of the test case, we'll be able to see that it has a new parameter called op name, which is set to the default value of test. If we now go to our other test case where we're calling the create new op callable test, we'll see that the op name parameter is also here with the same default value. We can change the default value here, save the test case, and run it. What this will now show you is that that value that we're passing in here will be used in the callable test. In this way, we can simply create callable test cases and pass in data from other tests to parameterize all of our testing efforts. Output data can also be consumed from callable test cases to get such things such as the record ID and otherwise. So we'll see here the opportunity name field will be set to demo123 as we passed it into the callable test.